They say, if you press these buttons in the right order, you'll go somewhere you're not supposed to. 4, 2, 6, 2, 10, 5. Never stop in between. Never speak if someone enters. I thought it was just a game. Until that night. The doors opened. To nothing. No lobby. No hallway. Just darkness. My phone had no signal. The floor indicator flickered. 11. But the building only had 10 floors. Then, I heard breathing. Slow. Wet. Right behind me. I pressed G again and again. The doors wouldn't close. And then, a voice whispered from the dark. Wrong order. They found the elevator the next morning. Doors open. Still moving. Between floors that don't exist.